the only way forward for us to even, there has to be this awareness, and the awareness starts now.
Hi friends, your friend Ike Chukudike from E to You series. Today, a topic I want to come with, I don't want to waste time. I want to run speed with it because it matters so much to you and to me. Why do I say it matters so much? You have a brother, you have a husband, you have a boyfriend, you have a spouse, that is a man. But I'm not going to do it alone. Two of my best friends, two of my brothers are here with me. On my right, catch him.
David Joel.
On my left.
Hi guys, my name is Tolu Jeremy. Great to be here.
Okay, Joel Tolu. A lot of friends, they say, from me to you, see, why have you people not treated this matter? Are you not a man? I say, I'm a man, what happened? Today, we'll have to take it up. And I don't know. Keep the man alive. So, keep the man alive. A lot of information in the streets. A lot of people, there's the topic we did last. Someone said, men died before the women, men died too quick, men this and that. It's like men are dying, but it's not true. Men are not dying. Men are alive. And I beg of you, if you have a husband, share this video with him. You're going to say, I love you. If you have a man in your life you love so much, a brother, if you're a woman, please share this video to any man you know you care about to be alive. And to brothers, I beg of you, share this video to your fellow men. It helps us. We need to be strong. We need to be well. Tolu, is it true that men die quick, yes or no?
Yes.
Ha! God of mercy. Joel, is it possible men can do better not to die quick? Yes or no?
Yes, it's
Yes.
possible that we can do better not to die quick.
Okay, Tolu, let's hear from what David said.
All right. For me, I think everything starts with awareness.
Okay.
And we are building this awareness by having this conversation, because most times we always sweep this conversation under the rug.
Under
right?
what?
Under the carpet.
Ah.
So because we're sweeping this conversation under the carpet, people don't know of this, and we keep silent in it, and we keep having that same conversation that, okay, it's okay for men to die quick because we are carrying the whole world on our shoulders. So that's where we miss it, and we need to have this conversation constantly, in order for us to become, so that it can become a lifestyle.
But sometimes it's like people shy away from, even husbands, as they shy away from telling their husbands some basic truths. Why do you think so?
Okay, because I feel sometimes men just want to be in charge. They don't want to be told what to do. But not knowing, being told what to do is more like it's more like a notification for you to just say, see, it's good to not just be good in your finances. You are paying for this, you're a provider, you are a protector, but you also need to go back to check on yourself.
Joel,
Yeah.
there's something Tolu just said. It just entered. In fact, I feel I nearly forgot where I was. He said, men is good in finance, at the workplace, even the religious cycle. He didn't say that, I just added that. They are good in all this and that. But the last person they want to look after is themselves. What do you think?
Absolutely right.
Say it again.
Absolutely right. Because if you notice in this our present world, men don't give attention to themselves. It's very, very rare, you understand, to see a man take care of himself. You see a man who provide for the family, for the wife, for the relative, wife people, so many other basic things. He will always be there at the workspace. He want to fill in the space. But at the end of the day, he forgot that he is the primary figure there. You understand? And you see that stress will fall on him. He will just be enduring it. You know, don't worry. Even when he's feeling some signs or symptoms, he will just ignore it. At the end of the day, he will just fall down. And it's gone. You see? And again, should I shock you? A man will want to impress a woman. You understand? How do you do it? Maybe your wife is complaining that you are not financially stable, you are not emotionally stable, you are not satisfying on bed, you are not this, you are not that. And now, you want to provide for her. Financially, you are stable. She will complain. You are not satisfying her on bed. You want to do what? You start going to take drugs and all. I came across a post recently, and the post, I saw 10,000 comments. Do you know that in these 10,000 comments, I make sure I went through the comments. Most of the things I saw there, women were like, because it was a woman that posted that I saw this drug in my husband's pocket, I am filing for divorce. Come and see the adverts. He say, madam, that is what is keeping the marriage. Oga, that is what is keeping the marriage. Don't go. If you go, you complain. That is why you are not having 2 seconds on. You know, that man is indirectly killing himself already. And he doesn't know because he's not going to hospital to go and check. You understand? Now one day you don't see that this man will just Otilo and he's gone. You understand? So many load are on top of men. There are too many to mention, and there are so many prominent men we can mention in this world. Even in our country, pastors, footballers, celebrities, musical artists, there are so many of them that will just slump. And that is why you see that we have more widows than widowers.
Friends, I don't know if you have, if you have a brother, if you're a woman, you have a brother, share this video with that person. It will create a kind of mental awareness for that person to do the right thing. And if you're a brother, a man, if you're a brother you love as well, a colleague at work you love, a relation you love as well, share this video. It's an awareness for them to live. We say, keep the men alive. Tolu.
Yeah.
I don't know. What is the way forward?
But joking, as when David was talking,
Yeah.
right? And I have a personal story where someone that was very close to me, he was fit he was fit in the morning.
Yeah.
We went on an exercise in the morning,
Yeah.
and everybody just thought, because if people are going to slum, definitely not this guy, because he's fit and he's so good, his strength, he's the energy in the room and all that. So we went for this jog, and guess what? He fell. We thought he would end just by falling, but he never recovered. He died, right? So, and I feel the only way forward for us to even, there has to be this awareness, and the awareness starts now. So people,
Say it again, please.
Yeah,
From me to you, see my
now.
global friends, please. In the comment section, I think it's time you have to make your own comment. It's time you have to make your own comment. And making your comment is to share this video with someone you care about. Tolu, back to you.
Yeah, thank you so much, right? And I feel everything starts with awareness, but beyond awareness, we need to start going to check ourselves, right? Don't think because you are seeing yourself in the mirror, everything still looks okay, but you can't see what's going on internally. It's possible something internally is broken, something internally needs to be checked, but it's not going to show just by seeing yourself in the mirror, right? So, and as most importantly, I feel that as men, don't shy away from your health. We need to check ourselves. If something is wrong, we need to talk to a doctor. We need to talk. And I feel that brings me to the next conversation, right? Because someone told me that, see, in this world we are in, you need to have 3 friends. Someone in the police, so a doctor, and you need to have an engineer that can help you fix things when they are broken. But sometimes we surround ourselves with the wrong set of friends.
Yeah.
And we find ourselves only with friends that we just talk about Arsenal, football, but we don't surround ourselves with, if a outbreak bursts, we are Googling and say, okay, ChatGPT, please, what's happening with my health? But you can just call a friend and say, see, I'm going through this. What do you think I should do? But because we are finding ourselves in the wrong circles, we don't know who to call. So we just keep it all silent, all buried in, until it becomes a symptoms we cannot bear anymore, and it now takes a toll on us.
Joel,
Yeah.
you wanted to say, because I could feel the parts on.
Actually, he just highlighted a very, very, very vital point. You understand that we don't have that person we could call and talk about our health. We surround ourselves with the wrong negative people. Absolutely right. Because I come to realize this thing, that as a man, how I will tell you this for free now. Out of 100%, you see when we're talking about blood pressure, you see like 3 or 4% of women, and they are mostly pregnant women. But go and check the rate of heart attack, high blood pressure, so many other kind of diseases. It's all fall back to man, because you carry a lot of mantle on your head.